travel 10 hours for 15 minutes.
Yes, because, well, hold on, good point, because me no want to travel from England so long for just come see me for 15 minutes. The visit in a prison, 15 minutes. But when them a keep family there now, 2019, me tell her, I said, come. She spend her own money. Come, man, buy now.
Yeah, because I remember the pictures.
And then beat me up for. When we there, them, it's fun and we are laugh and we are gimmicks out and we don't know how they are.
When you talk about the song, I'm not okay and easy. Would you express that song? We don't like it. So when people express that say them don't like songs of yours, how that make you feel like? Oh, Julie, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
I'm say, bumbo clock that body. But say send it to me. What kind of phone?
Blackberry.
Bumbo clock.
Why me know this?
Send it to me, Blackberry.
And
she send it to me. As the song says.
Cartel of a type.
Yeah. Bring a browning garment.
Me no want hear go. Keep by your mouth. Go. Me no want hear go. All of a sudden them have sitting fi say. Me no want hear go. Tappy nice, no. Go. Move your blood clot from your son. Go. All of a sudden them have sitting fi. Moutamasi. I know everything good fi talk. Moutamasi.
Yo, Nation, we're going to boy Adrian back in the building with another episode. Sean some new song, Gwe. I guess he aim it for foot of hype. Before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to reach 1K, guys. Would like your support if you subscribe. You know what I mean? So, vybz Kartel go on the Fix podcast, and he said a lot of things and a bag of things, but we pick out a few things that we're going to talk about today. You know what I mean? Stick around, we'll be right back.
Darling, Vaga, me brother, the Dan Dada. People we chat the most, nah, live no life. Just a watch every move you make, I know you survive. So me bang, go, rise, the temperature rise. Start make nice. All of a sudden, them have sitting to step. Me no want your go. Keep by your mouth.
Sean, welcome back. Over the weekend, vybz Kartel and his son, look at Addy celebrating. Look at Addy's birthday. It was a good look. Take a look.
Birthday, guys on a rape. Man, I match. We don't stick on the chain and game. Ballon d'Or. Fully dance. I'm in humble. Happy birthday, my son. Look what him father do. From Black Eye Class. Jelly on the lane, girl at the front too. In the jungle. I feel my son too. Big bumbo clock client in a mic. And when another yak, me make a million fast. Knock on the client door. Cap and boss, you not see me, not the Japan clothes. Ballon d'Or, cash code. Oh, but them not the passcode. But the bank the crossroad. Then the runner can't joke. All the money bought soap. Sacrifice the big notes. Feel the German import. Them no cap in no dog. Foreign a pass. Bumbo clad.
Not a cool. Look at it. Not a cool. Birthday youth.
Fully
Gaza.
You're deaf.
Boy, I'm playing right now and now.
Next year, the ink.
A 3D.
To see him. A pop on the bench to beat me. A pom.
On a beam.
Bank load.
And a Benz under a
Nation, a lot of people was talking about vybz Kartel newly releases of songs, saying that the songs that vybz Kartel release is not really vybz Kartel because them expect a lot more. And a lot of people satisfied with vybz Kartel, and some say they might give vybz Kartel time, you know what I mean? Because coming from jail, spending 13 years, is not an easy thing to come back on the road and set yourself all together back. Or people that want to, which may understand about vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? vybz Kartel have this to say. Take a listen.
So when you talk about the song, I'm not okay and easy. Would you express hard? That song, we don't like it. So when people express that say them don't like songs of yours, how that make you feel? Like if they don't express them love every song for you, you don't consider them a fan? Like how you do?
Of course, as the Bunty said, me like, me not like. So, me not like every song with Tupac though. But Tupac is my favorite rapper of all time. Okay. Me not like every song with Robert Kelly though. But he's my favorite R&B singer of all time. Same with Michael, favorite pop star. Same with Whitney, favorite female singer of all time. Same with Jackie, favorite reggae singer alive. And my favorite reggae singers of all time are Bob Marley, Dennis Brown and Gregory Isaac. But my favorite reggae singer alive are Jackie.
Okay.
Them can't sing like him. But on every song them do me like. That's how it go.
So with the song making process now, do you go into making any song with the pre-men say, yo, that song and I go make it. But we just put it out said way.
Good question. Because enough people don't understand. You have to strike the balance between commerce and art.
Yeah.
You understand? Or you go dead broke. So, I'm on the forward with the money. I would just give him a song. Can't bring him money. But him read him a fuckery.
Yeah.
Really, God?
Straight, me tell you. But if me rate you, ask TJ when Bibi Gardner, first reading Bibi Gardner bring, I want big fucker with him. I say, Bibi, no, him done it, bro. Come rate him. I say, Bibi, hear me, I said, dog. I fuck the man that be Larry, him, and I like you. A Brazilian bring. Him and the Jamaica fans. Go way and forward. I want him forward and bring a different rhythm.
Okay.
I'm walking at the shoulder. Set me free. Gotta run down the Gaza youth.
Wow. What do you expect?
Classic. So that's how it go.
Wow.
Enough time I give a man some fuckery song and it work.
Yeah. Like which one?
No, I tell you.
Nation, me can say vybz kartel as a writer, so and a heavy song where him do I go be a song of your likings, you see me? Even though most of vybz kartel song them people love, you see me? But on every song I go be a song where you go love, you see me? Some song I just resonate with you differently and something not going to. Speaking of hits making, vybz kartel speak on the idea of making freaky girl pop.
Hi, Julie. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I say, bumbo clock that body. I say, send it to me. What kind of phone?
Blackberry.
Bumbo clock.
Why me know this?
I say, send it to me Blackberry.
By
And she send it to me Blackberry.
Yeah.
And when I left the video shoot there, we go on a Dan Caldwell. I said, Dan, we have a blood clot intro where we are going to fuck up the world with.
Fuck up the world.
And I play it for Dan and Dan said, ready, no! And then I stand up in the show and Dan build the rhythm. I'm going to do this. Yes, I'm going to do this song. Freaky. Bumbo clot. Bro, someone in the song. It's not like me that I say, oh, me gonna change the culture. No, me just have to be me now. And do the song now. And it's shot.
But you think the opposite end can work?
Opposite?
Where the
R&B,
Never see something when me love so. Every time.
Kartel speak on the relationship with him and Sidem and how he moved Sidem to Jamaica. At first, Sidem didn't want to move. Take a listen.
You to travel 10 hours for 15 minutes.
Yes, because, well, hold on, good point. Because me no want to travel from England so long for just come see me for 15 minutes. The visit in a prison, 15 minutes. But when them keep family there now, 2019, me tell her, I said, come. She spend her own money.
Yeah.
Come, man, buy now.
Yeah, because I remember the pictures.
And then beat me up for
Yes.
facts we attack on a wolf.
Yeah.
And me I said to her, I said, bro, one thing with you, no matter where, because I know you have your man, whatever, but you represent. All right, cool. All right.
What man?
Granted. All right, we all sit down.
Man, know you have your man.
I don't know this
Fist
man.
bump, yeah, man.
I don't know this man.
Man, see them. It's okay.
We get it. I said, see them. You know, me I turn a new page in my life, because them time they know me start I focus spiritually and, me start meds different. Because when I say, remember, I always believe, so I have to come to my yard. And I said to her, I said, bro, come to Jamaica. come live. Me I go put you in a house.
Wow.
You're good. And she said, I don't know.
I don't talk like that.
Yeah. But what
I hit you over there.
Yeah. I mean, I say, yo, you're good, man. I got you, bro.
Wow.
Ask her. No, but even before that, me I say to her, I say, all right, and come here, try bribe her now. Me I say, yo, you're good, you want me to send you some money? She said, no. Got one thing with she, I'm going to be honest. She would have more put a $10,000 credit for my phone. More than even said to me, say she beg me no money or nothing. God. One thing with her.
That's a real.
I'm rate that.
Yo, Kartel, I need me one of those.
Fist bump. Ari, why you stay so?
I don't know why she stays. I don't know why she stays.
I mean, I say, no, she not bad man. I love her. She not bad man. I love her. I mean, say to her, say,
Speaking of bad mind, after that Vybz Kartel cleared the air and Shensia Ludi song. Take a listen.
remember now, Elvis, my voice is song final. You know, so show number 6 like Ludi.
Yeah.
I'm going to do the whole song. But here what did cause the problem? When Elvis got the song, all she did have to say was, yeah, a Kartel song, I'm going to change you to me. So just like when I write song for Gaza Slim or she or Indo, mother say, you know me, you understand like, yeah, me love you, my baby. But when me I write it, me can't say that because a girl. So I say, you love yeah. And that's all.
Well, I know.
Wow.
So that was a problem at the time.
Do you feel that Ramesh was behind it? Well, I know.
Wow.
So that was a problem at the time.
Do you feel that Ramesh was behind that?
Him love the behind things.
You know the people them, you know the talk. Even when you make a post where them people them say Ramesh they attack. What's it when they attack?
Yeah,
with the whole thing surrounding Ramesh, I think it
Puppy no for frightened.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not even dopey, my puppy. Yeah, how the fuck you beat up? Come on, bro. Bro. Come on, man.
10 years ago.
Yeah, bro. Like, when them days are done, yeah. Beat up people, bro. Leave people with them opinion, brother, and ignore them. So, yes, I him. Yeah, leave
So
people
you
with them
guys aren't
opinion.
friends. I thought you guys would be like.
No, I don't have a problem with him, you know.
Oh, okay.
Straight up, come and tell you, say, I don't hold grudges.
Yeah.
I don't hold grudges. Straight up, me I tell him, bro, I too old for hold grudge with people, but I just never like that.
Okay.
And that's
just,
okay.
Yeah, bro, like, come on, that, bro.
You say you're not too old for grudges, but I never asked about people who other people may perceive that you have grudges against.
Shoot.
Deva Brat.
I don't hold grudges against Stefan Brat.
Why is it you kick him out?
I'm going to tell you. Remember, it a tape?
Yeah.
That's on the
Exactly.
So it was when they close though.
Why?
As in, we're being mature.
Why same way?
I was friends.
Remember, you know, me give him the Shelly fit of the doubt on the first charge. And when me bail him charge of rape again. I'm just leave it. I'll say, bro, anybody with the one me can tell you that.
Yeah.
No joke. They give the benefit of the doubt. Because I know woman say.
Yeah.
But twice? Yeah, you do something.
Liar,
You do nothing. So,
you know
you do something when not nice. Yeah, the canary, me bail up on weed and sell low weed. And while they up on bail, they get catch with the next 2 pounds of weed. A fool they take me for.
Yeah.
You know them way there?
Yeah.
But yeah, when I pre, like, bro, yeah, that's just bad for business. What the fuck? And you're a star, you're not shot at pum pum. Stop it.
True.
Yeah.
Just like I said, bro, you're not shot at pum pum, but when they're prison for.
Rape.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's a mentality. You're sick. Go eat a dick.
Vybz Kartel have the biggest 2000 catalog. The dancehall, you know what I mean? Because he have released so much songs over the years and it been numbers coming. Right now he's still living off those songs that he drops on YouTube over the years, you know what I mean? Let's take a listen.
God still bless me.
Yeah.
Because during the prime years, because I remember the prime years would have started from about 2005.
Yeah.
Me put in so much work that's me still a live off of that. Because me have the youngest catalog in a dancehall. The biggest catalog. A Bunty catalog big, Beanie catalog big, but a 90s.
Yeah.
Me have the biggest 2000s catalog.
You're not lying.
Not tell a lie. And me give everybody them props. Bunty and Beanie have the two biggest, and Bujo, the three be them, Bunty, Beanie and Bujo. But them catalog kind of older than mine.
Yeah.
So the youth them know where between 20 and 40, a cartel grow them, yes. Look how deep that is, between 20 and 40.
Yeah.
You understand? So we have to give God thanks, and we could never come out of prison and tell the youth no fuckery.
Yeah.
Or try perpetuate fuckery by going like, oh, me and my father still a war, and the system go suck your mother. No. You come out and make the youth them know, say, oh, I'm tell you. Time precious.
Yeah.
Enjoy the time we have with people.
So like right now you're adamant to like walk a positive path, like you're not even want to say you're not even pay your taxes call by your name. That's how
Yes. No, but you're right.
like that's how
And not just through me.
Yeah.
But just through me want the youth them, cause me no want me picnic them go through that.
Yeah.
Cause remember when me there road, we young and we do things and we picnic them, I picnic, so we not watch that.
Yeah.
But then in prison I see so much youth to come to prison where my son them age group, including my father's son.
Yeah.
We did forward over the part of
Yeah,
the
'cause
prison
he's
with
in
me
prison
there.
now,
And you know, him and Jaim and so, them grow together.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shit, no,
Dante and
you have to
Jaim
talk
are
about
literally
that.
like
Yes.
best friend.
So like
Going
you
to
woke up
Stella.
and my father picnic in a
You
prison.
know, me and the man of their GP together.
Fuck.
I run it off.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Bro, me in my cell.
That's crazy.
Jaja.
That's crazy. Me not even did that thing about that. Like
Yeah.
They don't even people
But I
don't
didn't
even
even
understand,
think.
brother. Me not look no sympathy. I want to get me that.
Yeah.
Me not need no sympathy. But it's just, I cry when I see them thing the dog.
Yeah.
'Cause enough time get a youth lead astray. And it hurt me. Bro, brother, I can't even know that. Bro, you know how much you there prison? Ari, where?
Me no want your quit. Keep by your mouth.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys. We out.